Hi, I was looking for a car air pump and I came across this one on Amazon called the Rabbitstorm car air pump CZK3634. And it doesn't say anything about Rabbitstorm on the packaging, but if you search for Rabbitstorm on Amazon, you'll come across this model. This particular model is about 7 inches in length and 6 inches wide and about 2 inches thick. So it's fairly portable, and it has a digital screen, and it also comes with 3 different nozzles and 1 fuse for, I'm guessing, to replace one of the electronics. If something goes out, I guess you can replace it. It has these 2 little pockets, one on each side for the wires. One is for the hose that connects to your tires, and the other side is the actual wire that connects to your cigarette lighter. And it also comes with the small little instruction manual. And so I'll give it a try on my car and let you guys know what I think. Thank you.